we as the Vollmer Group, we have more than 16 subsidiaries all around the world in the different countries. And that is the reason why I'm traveling to all different countries and markets. This time we had the board meeting yesterday, and that's a regular process that we're doing on a yearly basis. But also furthermore, we're visiting customers. I would like to listen always to the customers, getting an understanding what is their expectation from the Vollmer Group, what we need to provide to them to be successor and to be the partner which they expect us as a long-lasting relationship. As I mentioned, it's very important to listen to our customers and listen carefully what they expect from us. And this is what we did right from the beginning, myself and also my colleagues all around the world. And this consequently means that we are trying to offer more added value to our machines. If we're looking into the machines for letting them running 24/7 in a 3-shift model, for example, adding automation, adding different features to the machine that the customers are requiring, and really having a deep dive into the market, what the market is requiring from Vollmer. If we compare our as of today strategy versus the strategy of the history, in the very old days we are a family-owned and family-driven company with more than 100 years, and our main focus over more than 80-90 years was only in the wood industry. We figured out that there's way more potential on the market than only looking specifically to the wood industry, and therefore that is one of the strategies since 10 years, but we are strengthened them and we are finalizing them or finalized them over the last 1.5 years even further to diversify ourselves in the different additional markets, going into the metal industry, going into the defense, going into the aircraft industry, railway, energy, and so on. So there's way more industrial potentials out there than what we were focusing on the past.
Okay, thank
you. Looking into one of the key developments that we have been done and still in the process of finalizing this is our automation solution. Why is this so important? Specifically, small work all around the main process is really costly if we're looking into a full process of a production line. How our customers are usually working around means unpacking, packing, but also cleaning, laser marking, and so on. So there's lots of little steps, which is each individual not the big headache for the customer, but if you're summarizing them, nobody really has the employees on site and to afford this kind of worker or labor for that kind of working. And this is the idea that we implementing all of this kind of little things into one automation cell and make life for our customers way more easy. I think everybody as of today is talking about AI and how you can implement them in your organization on a daily basis. We do the same. As of so far, we implemented or we're using AI in-house, means in the headquarters, but also in the subsidiaries for our internal processes of leaning them, make sure those processes are more aligned and more lean. But on the other side, also giving our customers the benefit, for example, with a We portal. This is the portal where a customer can sign off if they have equipment from us, and they getting lots of additional features. For example, it's more easy to find the right spare parts for your machine, or it helps you if you have, for example, an issue with the machine, find the right answer, what needs to be done to fix this kind of issue, or to get further and additional information instead of read the full manual. All of the things are typically stuff where AI is really adding a lot of benefit for your daily work, and that's also what we're implementing in such kind of tools. Our latest developed machines are mainly our laser machine, as well as our hybrid machine. The hybrid machine is a combination out of grinding and EDM operation. Those two latest developed machines are highly dedicated for the metal industry, for rotary tools, and for giving also the customer as a state-of-the-art technology where they can use for having a very high efficiency running process. Beside, as I mentioned in the beginning, beside our 16 subsidiaries which are allocated all around the world and mainly focused on sales and service for the different countries, we have two further main brands in-house. One is Loroch and the other one is Ultratech. Loroch is also in regards of circular saw grinding machines, and Ultratech is a specific company which is added also to the whole process when we're producing such kind of workpieces for deburring. Both of those companies had been implemented in our organization, and we focus, or we are in collaboration with all the subsidiaries around the world, that this is an additional product for the production line that we're promoting in all different markets. And we can see that from the one side, if we are already on a customer base where the Vollmer products are very well known and running into our customer's facility, then almost there's the question mark, how do I deburr those workpieces? Then we bring Ultratech in. As Ultratech has also a strong and worldwide customer base already, we have customers where they use only Ultratech and not yet the Vollmer products. So automatically when we're speaking to them, it's also adding value when we talk about the deburring and then giving them the question, the customer, but how is the process before? And we're realizing we can also offer something from the Vollmer. So both directions are supporting each other, and this is really what we are focusing on, and this is how we collaborate within the organization. Yeah. As we know that not only the whole world, but specifically also Korea for the last 1-2 years facing a very difficult economically situation. I don't have a recipe for super success specifically for this case, but what I learned over all the years is, again, sitting down with the customer on a table, listening to them, walking through to their production line, getting a real understanding of their challenges on a daily basis, and then thinking out of the box with the solution, the development that we have in-house, what kind of solution we could provide to the customer to adding benefit in addition to our standardized products. And this is really what we're doing, and that's also something which is on my agenda for today and the next couple of days, visiting customers, meeting them, sitting down and really getting a closer understanding what is really their need and their expectations from us.